Episode 10, Algo Wars. After another day of teaching, the team continued to rebuild trust in the lounge, but the analyst never stopped working. While rewriting the narrator's code, she had noticed something else. Another signal, hidden, changing, evolving. When you can't see your enemy, you don't attack, you track it. The students were getting frustrated. They were following all of the rules they were taught, but something was wrong. They were all losing. Prophet noticed the shift in the entire city. It wasn't chaotic anymore. It's controlled. Moves too clean. Reversals too fast. Mistakes too consistent. And the analyst was tracking it all. Charts rewind. Data overlays stack. She locks in, not looking for profit, looking for patterns. Because patterns don't lie. One chart, breakout, fails. Another chart, similar move, same failure. 10 charts, 20, 50, all classic retail entries failing. The analyst said, that's not coincidence. Side-by-side screens light up. Perfect entry patterns form and fail right after the beginner's entries. Stop loss said, that's impossible. The analyst replied, no, I've been watching. It's programmed. These are algorithms, algo trading bots deployed by the market maker. They're not everywhere. They're placed at obvious breakouts, key-level retail entries. They're not chasing traders, they're waiting for them. Prophet said, can we stop them? The analyst replied, no, but we can beat them. Not with speed, not with prediction, with discipline. But then, something doesn't add up. The analyst freezes, zooms out, bigger view, not just charts, sources, signals, origins. Her eyes widen. The analyst said, no way. Prophet replied, what? She turned slowly and said, they're not just reacting to the market, they're reacting to us. The foundation is feeding them. Confusion hits the room. Support said, how? She pulls up a new screen. Live feeds, hundreds of them. Beginner traders, inside the foundation, executing, hesitating, panicking, repeating mistakes. The school was full of beginners, predictable, emotional, learning but not ready, and the algos were watching all of it. The analyst said, every hesitation, every early entry, every moved stop is data. Stop loss said, the algos are learning from them. The analyst replied, no, the beginners are feeding them. The heroes weren't losing the war. They were supplying the fuel. The room goes still. Prophet looks at the screens, at the beginners, at the patterns, and finally understands. Prophet said, we taught them how to trade, but not how to think. That was the weakness. Not strategy, psychology, fear, hesitation, overreaction. Exactly what the algos were built to exploit. The analyst said, if we're going to win this, we don't just teach entries anymore, we teach behavior. In Market City, the algo war wasn't against the algos, it was against the mind behind the trade. And if they didn't fix it, the algos wouldn't just beat them, they would evolve past them. Can they reprogram the traders before the algos adapt again? Find out in the next episode, Psyche. What will the market maker try next? Inspired by the beginner's stock market journey, the Profit Protector.